At Bellevue West, at our football stadium, we had a light system that was probably original with the stadium, probably over about 30 years old. It wasn't very well lit. There were certain parts of the stadium, especially the end zones, where at night, for our night games, you really could not see very well at all. We'd have complaints from fans, from our own coaching staff, visiting coaching staff, so there was a real need for new lighting there. At our baseball stadium, we were the only stadium in the Omaha metro area that did not have baseball lights at all, so we could never play night games here. It made scheduling extremely difficult.
This spring, we had a incident with one of our poles. Had been about ready to fall, so we were really, we were already looking at new lights, but it really expedited the process.
You know, because of where our schools are situated, we wanted lights that were really going to focus on the school or the fields themselves, and we wouldn't have a lot of wasted lighting outside of the stadium or outside of the field of play. And we feel like we really got that. When you come to our stadiums now, you can see the lights really concentrated on the field of play. We have great lighting, whether it's at the football stadium from end zone to end zone, sideline to sideline, or at our baseball stadium, outfield to home plate. They really focus well on the game. It almost looks like you're playing in the daylight when you're out there underneath the lights. They're so clear and so white. And so those things sold us more than anything. The ability to control it both at the stadium and manually from a cell phone or from an off-site location, from a supervisor standpoint or a coaching standpoint, those were all things that we really appreciated and valued.
Those ball tracker lights have been extremely helpful, and you know, coaches notice that when you're punting or you've got a deep pass, the ball's in the air. Sometimes it was hard for kids to pick up prior to getting the Musco lights.
You know what, I did not have much familiarity with ball tracker lights. In our baseball games this spring and in our football games this fall and in the last fall, I think they make quite a bit of difference to the kids playing and to the fans being able to see the ball. So that piece has been nice. I think, again, it's just added to the experience for everyone involved. Something that was very intelligent for Musco to put in, I think, is definitely valuable. Warranty was huge. If anything goes wrong, that Musco would come out and take care of it and take a look at it. And that was something that was extremely important to us. Obviously, we're spending quite a bit of money. You want to make sure that whatever product you put in is taken care of, and that was a huge selling point from, especially from an administrative standpoint, from a school district standpoint, to know that for the next 25 years, these lights are going to be good and they're going to work for us. Yeah, anyone who's in the market for new lighting at their stadium, I would tell them that you need to seriously consider Musco, and that's from a lot of different vantage points. One, customer service, but two, technology. Three, the experience they have in the industry, the long-running experience that they have working with schools. It's evident that they are at the top of the industry, that they know what they're doing, and it'll make you feel very comfortable with making large purchases.
The reputation of Musco is, it's the best in the business.